If you really think trust is not important in a relationship, watch this movie in its entirety and make your decision later. I got so many things to do, but I got so very little time. I got so many punks around, trying to get their hands on what's mine. I got so very little friends, but I got a lot of enemies. Even though they laugh and talk with me, I don't wanna put my trust in nobody. When you're up, you're up, and when you're down, you're down. When you're up and top, people wanna see you drop. They don't.
Man, can't reach. Oh, listen, man. No, man, trust them. I know she can't reach one. Stress, man, right now. Hey, Charlie, so wait this long. My friend, I want something that story now go fly in my girl. For a man, you left the yard, you know.
Yeah, boy, I can tell us more than nobody else. Me, I get up with the board in there. I tell you all the while, you know, you have to trust me, because me not do nothing to hurt you.
Alright, you know, my girl. Look how long you left the yard. I want a man to trust you. Look all the way you put on come out here. Man for fool more while, you see.
Yes, I tell you all the while, you know, say you not have nothing to worry about. You know you have trust issues, and this a relationship and not go work if you don't trust me.
Alright.
When you're up, you're up, and when you're down, you're down. When you're up and top, people wanna see you drop. They don't understand. You have to work to get on top, but you can do it too, my friend. You just gotta believe in you, in you. Oh, you can do it too, my friend. You just gotta believe in you, in you. Oh,
No problem, man.
Trust me, I don't know how this is gonna work.
Tell me about it.
Yo, I feel like I'm owe you a favor, G.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, I feel like I'm going to do a favor for you, man. Trust me.
Nah, man, I just gave you a ride, man. It's nothing,
Yo,
man. Real talk.
Yo, I'm grateful to my family. Yo, let me hook you up, no, man.
What you talking about?
Yeah, man, I'm telling you, I can hook you up on a girl, man. A decent look for you, man.
A girl, matter of fact, yo. Every time I'm in Jamaica, bro,
Yeah.
I got this shorty that she, like, real talk, bad as hell.
Yeah.
I'm talking about
Yeah.
shorty, yo, body like a
Sexy.
Coke bottle, dog.
Look good.
Yo,
What?
no bullshit,
she brown?
man. Yeah, light skin chick, man. You know what I'm saying?
Them girl, like the real
Yeah,
girl.
you like it
Yo,
brown, right? Yeah, you
I'm
like
going.
okay, you
I'm
brown
going to tell you about her.
right?
Yo,
Yeah,
she's sexy and look good.
No, man, on some real shit though, the shorty I'm talking about, yo, bad, dude.
Yeah?
Bad. Yeah, no,
Yeah,
bullshit.
so what going for you, man? You say you must have a picture of them girl.
Hell yeah, I got a picture. Yo,
Sir,
you see this shit?
what
man?
going, man?
Yo, shorty bad as hell, dog. Cool too, man, you know what I'm
Yeah?
saying? Yeah, man.
Star.
Check that out right
Oh,
there.
you see that? You see that?
Right there. Shorty bad, right? You speechless, right? What I'm talking about. You know what I'm
How we
saying?
are? I style you, try style me.
What you talking about, man?
I this me.
Nah, hell
I mean,
no.
my women I talk about. You know who this?
Dog, that's the chick I'm telling you about.
Chick, you tell me
Shorty.
about your backside. Oh my God. I this year, I kill you, I'm kill you, you know.
Your girl? Get the
I mean, my.
I mean your
Yo,
girl.
what?
Yo,
me, I
so
go
you
kill
know
her.
her?
I'm on man, remember the mouse.
Get out of here. What you talking about?
Yeah.
That's your chick?
Yo, hold this.
Yo.
I'll kill that.
Oh,
Blood.
snap.
Yo.
Damn, dog. Hey, yo, no, do nothing stupid, man. You know what I'm saying? You can't trust these females. Yo, my dude. Yo, hold up, dog. Man, we could talk about this. Hey, don't do nothing stupid, man. Damn. I didn't mean it like that. You know what I'm saying? I know. You can't trust these females. Damn. I gotta get out of here. Shh. You know what I'm saying? Shh. Get the hell out of here, man.
I'm glad they come with some man soup.
Where you go?
Babes, we need some stuff like supermarket, more oil, sugar, flour, everything that not tell us. Go and go to the party and come now.
See him something me at our orange. She run down again. And if it, oh, she said she not. Come to the supermarket, get her there. Sugar, oil, salt. What are them something else she run down and buy? So this girl really take me for a fool. Yo, hey, give me some killer girl I want to kill her. Hey, I'm going there. Nobody have to do this. This girl and I give me no choice and I kill me if I kill a girl. I'm gonna get myself in a big trouble. The girl and I know what she's doing, how much she mash up man meds. Stop. Ready for that yet,
What have I tell you, Brownie? Jesus Christ, I'm going with a bag of things because it's easy, you know. It's you. Jesus, all the boots and things. You know what I want?
No, man.
Yo, you're not easy, man. Yo. She ain't even know still, no, Brownie. They're sure you don't want to come to country with me. Now watch ya. Me have it can deal with you, no, Brownie. We give you all extra to you. Oh, I said, Brownie. The weird thing would me have come back this morning. You see, yo, after last night, I couldn't stay. Sleep, me I tell you, I have to just come back. You see me I say, so what you say? Me like go troops hard.
No, man, just ask me later.
Alright then. I gotta get Jesus. Yo. So bro, then I sure you know how come a country with me. I scammer, you know, man. I see type jewelry them me I wear. It's cool, no, man.
Just ask me later, man. I want to tell you, man, you're going to for me. Come next time, man.
Me I link you, you know.
I'll link you to look me.
Me I link you.
Yeah.
Why, Brownie, I look good, boy. Me I tell that Junior star.
Netherlands. Put that country man you do, God. Both him want troops. Yeah. You can come up. Alright.
Fight for your right. Always listen now. Fight for your right. Always. Buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all the ghetto youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all the ghetto youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life?
Just I come in a place now, because somebody to go and deal with them things. You see me I say? Like a little flow and thing, you know. What a nice blouse you have, but Jesus, guy. That's good enough.
So give permission for touching you.
You know, go and say, I go and we can't pay you for touching, you know.
Really?
Me a scammer, you know.
So that have to do, Jim.
Come on, man. My friend, I don't know about scammer.
What is that, all that?
A whole heap of white people have got a phone and you always say, you know.
Really? Is that no use sketch with a girl then?
These things you go on with, you know.
No man, come better than that.
You catch me.
No use your money going like you want to hold me. Come better than that.
Alright, let me use my cute looks then. Look what I'm doing to them. See some friend. So I meet no man.
You know, then if you spend what you don't want to do for me.
That's cool no man. I move so.
They all them food and too local for you.
What do you mean too local? That's the way I say.
Yeah?
Yo, swing.
Scatter!
Swing.
I'm bridging this man.
Star, daddy. You know, brother.
Top, yes!
I want to see them, brother.
There man,
You
there!
don't let me know, cause you know me I walk up, come left here, I jump, and me wonder, who me I go see, brother?
The man like all you hear that,
You know.
the thing up, you know that.
It's the money will lie, don't know. Say you can say hotel lie.
But you know, say last night we dropped in that place though.
Last night. So hold on. You dropped last night. You know, say, me know say you could have something for you. Tell me right now, God. You know say you got coffee. Oh, they get them.
As me drop in that place, as me could have dropped in, boom, mad drive out. Say yo, so like a loose as they run for the corner.
Yeah.
So when I go around them, I go pick
Yeah.
up a bee. Yo, me I tell you, say to
Just
be clean.
I may have one for you, you know.
But you know man, to be clean. At 2 times, me have to clap a 1 bee.
2 times.
Last
And
night.
last night you come.
Last
That
night.
was last night.
This morning, me have WhatsApp a bee this morning, yo. To a bee.
Different is still in the dog. You ever have some girl beats in the
Yeah,
dog?
Them phones, yo.
For real, man. You want a new Samsung Galaxy them, bro.
Yeah, see here. Hold on, need a load. Hold on. Yeah.
John Star. And this a girl?
Yeah, man.
How the plugs are scared? I say,
This a girl daddy say no.
I saw me know say that the girl are easy girl, you know. Yo, I chain at the one, no brother.
So you know the bee?
Yeah. I'm a virgin catty brother. You know say, man always a complain brother and I say girl again, bone and then me always be one that tell man say, yo, dog girl, nah, you know, dog come like me, no dog, say the girl you up to
So, hold on, see I tell me say man and the bee married and the bee I do them thing the dog.
John, brother, they're not really married. You see me? They're not really married. But in the, if you're a good while, brother, you see me? All the nigga under pressure blood, but just no say the cat they are doing certain things. Come like me, no daddy.
So you not have to show him money vibes, man.
No, brother, I can't show.
Oh, you mean you can't show him money vibes? That mean you won't show me vibes then?
No, brother, remember say for me anything different. You see me? For me anything different and a different situation. You see me?
But you need
But me can't show him my guys. But the cat might touch you not to know that. Come like me, can't believe this to that. Do you know that? Yo. Nigga, forward that.
Which nigga?
See me down in this. Yo, it's easy.
Oh, you mean?
That's easy, man. Yo, and you know, say how that. When you go by garage, you know, me I tell you, say, man, the man sort out the car good. You see me?
Yeah, and it spray good too, you know, like very spray too.
Yo,
Yeah, good spray boy, you know.
All the color, I want black and come like say, good.
How good the boy can joke, man, a good joker, brother, man, be like, yeah.
Winston, you know, brother, what about? That looks so better. Oh,
Yo, Scatter, here man, me have to move, you know. Me have to move, yeah? So here man, me link you up, see him?
yeah, me show it to you.
Ah, my brother, no watch out.
It's alright, man. You know that.
Hello.
Hey.
You not pay for the cigarette and the juice?
No, man, that good, man. Me deal with it, man. Me deal with it, brother. It's alright, man. Me deal with it, see?
Scatter, me see it. Scatter, me see it.
Brother, see what I'm doing?
Long time, the woman's got long time. She oh, Scatter, everything here. And she do it, Scatter, she do it. Jesus. She do it, Scatter.
Then tell me what going on, brother. What?
Scatter, she do it, Scatter.
What she do?
Woman and cheat from me, Scatter.
Yo, you know say you don't listen, brother. What you mean she cheat on you now? Where you get them
Scatter, she
scenarios
give her this song.
So you know that then?
Me see it, pictures, Scatter, me see it.
You see picture my youth?
Scatter, me see it. Because I drive. Wanna come on? She won't sit and see. Scatter, I don't want
we just get a woman and we could go to my mama, me ask her that. She cheat on me.
Yo, just hold it down, brother. You're not going to get a
You're looking at business right now, man.
Just
You say that here, never kill her. You
Listen to
The money always have one problem. Them lucky at me, huh?
I don't wanna fall in love again. I don't wanna play that silly game. True love is hard to find, and I don't wanna have to feel the pain. Can't you see I'm hurting deep inside? Gotta find a way to ease my pain. I guess I gotta leave it all behind, 'cause I will never be the same. I could never forgive you, baby, for all the things you did to me. When you said you really loved me, I really thought you were feeling me. I used to buy you all the nice things and all the finer things in life, 'cause I really loved you, baby, and I want you for my wife. Oh, yeah. I don't wanna fall in
Why
love
Winston?
again.
Why? I can't believe you're telling me this. Who are you telling me what really going on? For real, because I can't believe what you're saying. What really going on? Eh? Now the people I mean I can't wait. You know, so I show my respect as a big brother. I say, yo, who are you? We're really going. Tell me what you really are saying. What really are going? The what? The what you can't go here, say you can't eat picture. People can't put them things together and say that man. Look at me name Scrappy. You ever hear me tell you nothing wrong yet? Look for me. Me never yet tell you nothing wrong. Trust is a thing where you have to trust. She have to trust and you have to trust her at the same time.
come in my house, Scrappy, and come
Just trust.
Scrappy.
You never see that. You told me the people in my waiting. Hear me say man, just believe in me man. Hear me say, just trust man, trust.
Scrappy, hear me, I said, yo.
Me know you, yo, just hear me say, see come over the reach back.
Nobody, you know.
Let me just drop off them people and circle back. Just trust man, just go and hold it man.
That's
Brother.
easy for you for saying a family, and
Just
you
hold
the
it,
girl
man.
give her the thing pan, you know, and me, you know. I can't hold it no
Just
more,
hold
man.
it man, hold it down.
I
hold
just
it.
feel like I just want. Oh, Father God, you see, I know, you know, hey, me I go kill a girl, you know. I swear, me I go kill a girl, and a girl I better know she the pan, you know, man. Hey.
Here, Camille. Camille right now, me stress out. Because every day Winston come home and accuse me, say, me I sleep with this kind of man, yeah? I sleep this up, and Camille, me not have a clue about what Winston at talk about. More while me sit down Camille under one day, Winston a madman. Yeah, me need to tell him, but me not get the chance yet. Camille,
Hey.
me no know
Hey, girl.
that.
Hey, girl. Who you there talk to? Who you there talk to? Come out of my house. Hey, girl. How you there on phone and chat to? Yo, I'm come out of my house. No. Me hear everything down the road. Hey, we don't want to see you now. Come out. Yeah, pack up your thing. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. I'm being foolish as I want in here. No, we don't have a bud. No, ease off of me. Hey, I style you, I style down the road now. Hey, girl, tell me things I want. Come out.
Baby, I'm sending you this letter, 'cause I haven't been the perfect guy. I'm hoping you'd open it for a minute and read a little bit of what's inside. Girl, I know that I've treated you wrong, and sometimes I even made you cry. But I've decided I'ma treat you right. All I'm asking is for one more try. Oh yeah. I can spend another night without you, 'cause I really need you back in my life. All my rainy nights, they have been shattered, and I really find it hard to thrive. All I need is just one more chance, girl, and I promise I'ma make it right. Oh, baby, come home to me. Baby, come home. Baby, come home to me.
You know me, General. You know, say me want hold one of them phone they do though.
One of these?
Yeah, man. Some nice phone them, man. You see me? I see them on the TV and thing. You see me?
Yeah, these phones are good, but they're way too overpriced anyways, B. You know what I'm saying? $600 for a phone? Hey, when did we get like that, though?
Don't say things. Yo, dog.
Unbelievable, man.
How we love over this car wash, dog?
Tell you what's that, you know, say that, come like, right now, right to say it's like a realest place, dog. I tell everybody, like, yo, you say ever cool and thing, and you know, we playing place, ever clean, you see me?
Vibes to show you.
What that?
Say, you know, say, B when me that show you vibes in that day.
Yeah.
That a fear nigga B.
Oh, the same one there, yeah.
Say, you know, say, this a man here knocky.
This one,
Man, this a man here. Yo, make this a man here show you vibes, yo. Cause me and him there from morning and you see me,
Yo.
make this a man here show you.
me see, dog, me see. You show me thing, dog.
Yo, I'm telling you, it's the same
Yo,
shit.
I tell you, say,
Yo, check it out.
I don't see that. I don't see that.
It's the same
I
shit.
see dog.
Yo, it ain't, yo,
But,
listen, yo, dog.
we not see.
That's the shorty I see every time I come to Jamaica. I've been seeing her. You know what I'm saying? So me and him get to talking, and then he's like, yo, you know her. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, yo, I know her too. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you. I've been hitting that black though. Every time I come to Jamaica, that's always been my shorty. But yo, check this. A strange thing happened the other day, right? We was at this car wash.
Yeah.
This nigga asked me for a ride. So I dropped the nigga off. I'm like, yo, I'm about to go meet shorty. Next thing I know, I show him the picture. Turn out, it was this girl. You know what I'm saying? Yo.
Then when a difference still in the blood.
That shit messed me up though. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to stay away from her. I ain't seen her since. You know what I'm saying? But I know that, I don't know how did they got my number. I got a call from the other day. Like, he said, like, you want to see me at his crib and all that. You know what I'm saying?
Huh?
Yeah. How do you know her?
Oh, me know that. Brother, I mean, yeah, the cat today. I want to tell the same man put her a long time, brother.
What you say?
I'm in yard, she the brother.
What the hell she doing
So
there?
now that me come to tell her, brother, I'm a nigga my out and Winston kick her out, brother. You see me?
Oh, you kicked her out?
Yeah.
You mean the brother there with the same brother there with that?
Same nigga, brother. So he kick her out now, you see
She's
me?
at your crib?
Yeah. You know my bed, brother.
So you're knocky? You're knocky now?
I'm not knocky, but... Oh, my God. See?
I thought that was your home.
No, I mean,
That's your
come
home boy's girl.
yeah, but you me know say get the cat there. Watch it. You know much nigga ain't good all give to already.
This chick's some wild chick. Yeah, I'm staying far away from her. I'm good.
Me, I'm blocking number
Yo,
now.
I'm good, son.
Yo, brother, here what go on. Nah, we link up, see?
Yo, me I delete that be the number in a G.
Yo, I can't believe it. It's some wild shit, man. Yo, this chick about to get somebody in trouble. I'm staying away from her.
Yo, them
Real
thing
talk.
Them thing ain't go on a country.
Unbelievable, man. Yo, I'm good. Son, I'm good. See if my car is ready, man.
No, me I left for so long.
Lie down. In my house, I must joke this. Hold on. Sorry, no, I'm going. go on.
Yes, Scatter.
Try some juice here, fam. I bring juice here, man, and thing, man, because Joe, sister, no come out of the room for man. Some juice here.
Yeah, but could you not clean up from morning, Scatter?
No, man, no worry about
juice
that,
to drink, man.
Stop over yourself, man. I tell you to stop over yourself, man. Drink some juice, man.
Scatter, what I mean by me stop for myself. I love Winston, you know.
How do you touch? They can't let somebody we put you out that. You know, start. No, stop over yourself, man. Stop over yourself, man. Stop over yourself, man. I'm there for you, man. I tell you to stop over yourself. Yeah, over yourself, man. I hear that girl, look. I hear that girl, you know.
You think me as some loose girl, Scatter?
I hear that. Loose girl. After that, everywhere I get different man. Who let that man for? After I dash over there, so, and dash here, so, and dash here, a man put you up after, you have to talk about love, and after man come put you up, you know, and come give man to it. A fool let that man for.
Scatter, where you talk about? Scatter, you know say and Winston are the same thing?
Who want same thing?
You and Winston is the same thing.
You're ungrateful. After me take care of place and sitting. You're ungrateful.
You know what, Scatter? Me I leave your place.
Me no leave. I'm only on.
Wait till Winston hear about this.
Yeah man, you better tell him say you give me. Cause me I tell him say you give me. You think me not tell him? I tell him say you give me. So go and go tell him. Look correct you. Come go like some man I eat that. Take me after me a puppet show. Bright. Take me a puppet show. Go and sleep up on bed. You know I had more foot by my bed.
Hey baby, you should never give up on your dreams, no matter what the consequences may be. Hear me out. You hold the key to your success in life. You will determine if you wanna do the right. You have the answer to your failure in life, the key to your future in life. Also young and you're expecting, now you're thinking that your future's gone. Doesn't have to be that way. Life still have all of its demands. I don't wanna hear about your mistakes. Oh no. I don't wanna hear you saying now that it's too late. It's never too late, girl. It don't matter what your friends may say. It don't matter. You still can do anything that you wanna do. Oh yeah. You still can be anything that you wanna be. Only hold the key to your success in life. You will determine if you wanna do the right. You have the answer to your failure in life, key to your future in life. Break it down.
So, where you coming over here for? You never start out with Charlie now. I said, yo, dog, no, dog.
I want to Scatter.
I know me, dog. Charlie in my youth. That me did I tell you, dog. Charlie in my youth. I shall do if I will have man in my community, my youth. With the foreign man, everybody my youth.
You tell me say you want them something behind the
No, my youth. Me not nothing to do with it, my youth.
Johnny! Hey, Johnny, come here, son. No. Hey!
No, you know to me, my youth.
Yo, come here, son. No. What's the guy telling me about that place?
I'm a good girl. Yo.
Winston, what? What am I saying? I told him what
I don't have a clue what Scatter is talking about. And you, Scatter, you don't even get into that right now. Because I was at your house when Winston
You get out my own. I'm really man. You know what's me afraid. No. I pay for. Yo.
Winston, I don't know nothing.
No. You understand? You come sit down right there, sir. You come right there, sir. Sit down right there. You understand? Sit down right there, sir. You right there, sir. Me, I'm gonna get to the bottom of this right now. No, don't move. One I couldn't have. See, I don't know. Me, I'm forward.
Yo, what's good, man? You said you wanted to see me?
Evening, my boss, man. Evening. Yo, I appreciate you coming over. Come on. Everybody in the living room. You want something to drink?
No, I'm good, sir.
You're good. You sure?
Awesome.
Alright. Come now, my general. Oh, sir, come in, man.
Yo, what's good, Winston?
What more you so timid? You don't know she?
Yeah, I'm saying, yeah. I'm
You
saying.
say you move, sir. Like you don't know everybody in our room. Cause apparently I'm here, all the man don't know what's going on in here.
Yo, I'm saying, you said you was gonna be civil about this, though.
They're the civil right about now.
You know me?
Yo, what you acting?
Yo, you know him, man. You know him, man.
Scatter, not your time now.
You know him, man.
You know me?
Yo, I seen you plenty of times. Why you doing this?
See me where?
Yo,
Wait, sir, don't make you fool, man. You know him, man, why you can't involve me in this, man.
my man.
Charlie, you don't know the man, Charlie.
Winston, I don't know him.
No, she's lying. No. Yo, don't worry about it. I'll shoot it to them, man. Yo, don't say no anymore. You invite the next thing, you know. Yo, she tells me Charlie about him.
You know, say I pay foolishness I go and I like I'm a gun and I want to go find him.
Yo,
Go feel good. Winston,
Yo,
go feel good.
Mr. Go over there, sir. You, stop your eyes. You.
I would have got
You don't do me like that?
Yo, you know what? Come in, you know, right now, I'm Kevin. Yo.
Yo, who the hell is that?
No, move, God. Better praise God, Jesus.
I'm Charlene.
So who?
Charlene, that's my twin sister.
Oh, damn, son. Yo, hold up. This sounds like some Jerry Springer type shit. Who the hell was I sleeping with? You or her? Because I know I was messing with one of y'all. You know what I'm saying? I need some answers right now.
What mean you're going here? So you have to say you have a sister. You have a sister who look exactly like you. I don't know.
Yo, they look just alike, dude.
Winston, you didn't give me time to explain that. No time at all. See, I told you have trust issues. I'm not proud of what my sister is doing. I'm not proud. That's why I didn't say anything to you.
Yo, as far as I see what's going on right here, you got trust issues, dog. You don't even trust your own woman. You supposed to trust her, she's supposed to trust you if y'all gonna make this thing work. The thing that's going on with your homeboy, I don't know what y'all got going on, man. But y'all ain't got no loyalty. Y'all gotta figure that shit out. Yo, I'm out of here.
Hey, you hold up. Are you single?
Single shorty was good.
You see, you, Winston, who end up with trust? Yeah, trust. Like Scatter will try to rape me. But guess what? You always put your trust in them. And you see, without trust, Winston, this relationship will never work. So I'm moving forward.
Charlie, where you go? Where you go? You start everything, you know. Come back over there, sir. Hey, Scatter. Yo, what kind of... Yo, Scatter. Yes, man, sir. Sit down right there, sir. I have somebody here for me. You cause all of this will happen right, and you know the whole game we're going to go and you do it, you know.
You know, sir, far we have come from.
Far we have come from. Far. Look what you do. You make a good woman walk out for me. Eh?
No, just...
You really... You don't know what kind of makes me have... Right now, I feel like we just bust again.
Yo, nah!
Yo, when we can't leave this room here, you know. We know something wrong with this right about now. Hey, Scatter. You know something?